Hi, this is David Saddlemeyer, Century 21 Liberty, and this renovation rocks. This is 108 Windsor Road in Lumberton, North Carolina, close to the I-95 highway. Pretty big, spacious yard. And for more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.com. It's the number 4. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's take a closer look. You can change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition. Lots to show off here. Pretty fresh landscaping there. Brand new roof, architectural shingles, attractive brick veneer. Some more landscaping there. And let's go inside. Almost everything you're seeing is brand new. From the flooring, paint, and fixtures that you can see here in the living room. Coat closet there, wood-burning fireplace. A wall has been removed to make it a living dining room combination here with the kitchen. And a closer look at the fireplace with the door to the backyard. And some wonderful selections here in the dining area, leading to the kitchen. Again, all brand new, stainless steel appliances, lots of lighting. Subway tile backsplash. A closer look. And we'll come back down the hallway. 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Everything just looks so nice. First bedroom. Linen closet. Second bedroom. Owner suite. Walk-in closet. And the owner's bathroom. Everything matches so nicely. And please wait, because I have so much more to show you. We're going back the way we came. There's another door to the backyard here. Pantry for the kitchen. Laundry area. And check out the potential and opportunity in this sunken family room. This is huge, heated and cooled as well. Closet there. Could do a lot with this room. Another closet there as well. Now let's check out the backyard. There's a detached 1-car garage / workshop here with a brand new roof. And both the workshop and the house have brand new HVACs. Here's the backyard. That attractive brick veneer continues. You've got a patio there and some pretty good privacy with these woods here. Lots of space to enjoy the outdoors, to relax and entertain. And check this out. Again, all heated and cooled. And you have another room here. And it looks to be plumbed for a bathroom there in the corner. So lots of opportunity and potential uses for this particular building. And that pretty much completes the tour. You really have to see this property in person to appreciate it. You can give me a call, 910-723-8888 to see this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.